Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. So this is the Anfibio Sigma TX Packraft. My buddy the folding man has been out in it today and he's letting me do a quick review on it. To me this seems like a really long packraft. Raft says it's about the same length as his blue one there, but to me it looks a lot longer. Anyway, I'm going to take it out in the water here for a little bit, give it a little bit of a test run, and then we'll have a look at the specs, what you get with it, and see what it's like underneath. Let's see what this is like on the water. I definitely feel like I'm in this one. I don't know whether that makes any sense. In that Wanatego drop stitch packraft that I reviewed a little while ago, that feels like more like you're on the water. This feels more like you're in it, in the boat. Feels nice, feels really stable. If I rock it about, doesn't feel like it's going to tip anywhere. Anyway, let's move it on the water a bit. So I'm going to paddle into the wind a little bit. Now this has got a skeg in it, so it will track relatively straight as far as packrafts go. I ain't got any GPS yet, so I can't tell how fast I'm going. 2.1, 2 miles an hour, 2.1, 2.4, 2.5, 2.5, 2.6. I'm pulling quite hard at the moment because I'm pulling into the wind. 2.5, 2.8, 2.9, about 2.8. If I just go steady, we'll just see what it kind of steadies down to, into the wind. 2.4, and that's just with me pulling steady strokes. 2.2, so it's kind of standard packraft speed. So it's the kind of speeds you'd normally expect from a raft. I have no doubt that when I turn around now, paddle into the wind, sorry, with the wind behind me, it'll be considerably nimbler. On the subject of nimbleness, let's just see how easy it is to turn. Bearing in mind this has got the skeg in, see if we can do a 180 with one stroke. Not quite, but that's probably the skeg that's doing that. One stroke back. Yeah, okay, almost. This feels... I was feeling a bit uncomfortable. Now the seat, the backrest kind of thing, is adjustable. It's like a band and it can fit into the small of your back a bit better. It's kind of weird, kind of rocks around a little bit. I'm not quite sure what seat configuration he's got in here. It is an Anfibio one. It gives you quite a bit, so you can have the back support, but you've got quite a bit of flex with the boat, which is a good thing. Yeah, that's quite unusual. Right, let's have a look underneath it and on top of it, out of the water, and we'll have a look, see what it's got. What does it come with? Oh, this is a lot easier with the wind behind me. Right, we've got this out of the water, so let's start front to back. So we've got tie out points, 1, 2, 3, 4. This predominantly for tying gear on or putting a bike on. These straps here, these are for the additional straps for a different seat. This is what I meant by about that back thing being movable up and down your body. This inflatable seat, inflatable cushion there. There are tie out points here and at the front of the boat, not sure what they're for. You've got these tie outs here for the seat and so on. 2 more tie outs here and a Boston valve. Underneath this, you've got a very weedy skeg. Look at that. That can go back in the canal. And it did as well. So that's been scuffed coming out of the water. It's not a very robust skeg, but it's in. And I think that really helps with the tracking actually, because this boat does track straight. and I'm not sure if it's because it's really long. It feels to me like a really long raft. Do us a favour, raft, just chuck your boat on top of that, because I have a funny feeling. No, it is about the same length. He said it was. Look at that, it is the same length, and yet for some reason this seems shorter.
Inside, sit length's shorter in this one.
Yeah, the sit length's shorter in that. The sit length in this is huge, because in that you sit at the back of the boat, whereas on this you sit further forward and you still have leg room and you've got space at the back. You don't have that kind of luxury with a lot of pack rafts, that one included. So yeah, kind of a bit weird. Anyway, that's it for this little quick review. You know what to do about liking, subscribing, and all that jazz. You take care of yourself. See you later.